Hi, in today's video we are going to talk about how to make absolutely free nitrogen and multiple micronutrient containing fertilizer. Have you ever thought that everything that plants need already contains in the plants? It's a very simple thought, but if you think a little bit more, that means that all these weeds that you would usually throw away contain all the necessary micronutrients that you need for your plants. Every building material that you want from the very complex fertilizer is already here. This means that you can use all your weeds to produce perfect fertilizer for your plants. There are many ways to do it. One of the easiest ones is mulching, but that video is not about mulching. It's about more traditional way of producing free fertilizers. So what do you need for that? First of all, you need the weeds. Secondly, you need to try to make little pieces out of it. Depending on how much you have, you can just do it by hands, or you can use a shovel. The reason that you want to make them smaller because you want what's already inside the plant to be extracted as efficiently as possible. The next step is super simple. You just need to add some water and leave it for about a week for extraction. Usually when you do this, it might start smelling because of the natural processes which goes in it.
Also avoid using chlorinated water as possible. What you see here is what will happen in about 1 week after bubbles stopped being produced. And now the solution is ready as a fertilizer which is rich in nitrogen. It's obvious that nitrogen and other micronutrient content is not standard, therefore it's difficult to give recommendations on how much water to add when you use it as a fertilizer. I use about 300-400 milliliters and add water about 10 liters. You can increase content of your fertilizer for up to 1 liter, but in my opinion that would be a little bit too much. So once it's ready, you can start watering your plants. I'd like to emphasize here that you generally do it early in spring when there is a high nitrogen requirements for your plants, and you don't do this in second half of the summer. Good luck!